How you doing, guys? Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're taking a look at a gorgeous 69 Firebird. It's painted its original Goldenrod Yellow, which is better known as Daytona Yellow. This car's had a complete restoration. Frame off. Got the black vinyl interior. All the bumpers have been replaced. Very straight, slick down the sides. It's got a set of wheelwood disc brakes in the front, power. See, the front bumper's been replaced. The grills look perfect. Nice and clean, the jams. Interior looks real good. It's all been replaced. Got an AM/FM stereo, 3-spoke sport wheel. Got a B&M ratchet shifter, nicely mounted in the factory console. Got that rear wing on it, gives it a really tough look. Now this car's badged as a 400, but it's actually got a 350 in it that's been all redone. Got a nice cam in it, your aluminum intake, set headers, duals out the back, Flowmasters. You can see the wheelwood disc in the brakes. It's got your Edelbrock signature valve covers and air cleaner. Aluminum radiator. It's got dual electric Be-Cool fans. Looks really cool with the side lights lit up and the Firebirds. That's just a special look that Pontiac has. Again, guys, you can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Have a great day.